जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
Okay, so we are gathered here to celebrate the 77th Independence Day of our great nation. And on August 15th, we celebrate India's 77th birthday. Every child of our country should understand the importance of freedom each one of us are enjoying now. We should never forget the struggles and sacrifices many great men have gone through for us to have the luxury of a happy, cheerful and peaceful living. It's a moment of great privilege and honor for me to welcome our director, Reverend Father Paulos Kidangin CMI, to the Independence Day celebrations of our little ones. Welcome, Reverend Father. I also wholeheartedly welcome our dear Shiny ma'am, parents, colleagues and my little darlings to this wonderful celebration. Gandhiji's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, okay? And we lovingly call him Bapu. Okay, now you want to see Gandhiji? I think he's come. You see that?
Non-violence is the greatest force at the disposal of mankind. It is mightier than the mightiest weapon of this present devised by ingenuity of man.
And there was another great leader along with Gandhiji. I'll give you a clue. He loves children and he has a red rose on his jacket. Yes, that is Jawaharlal Nehru, and he was the first Prime Minister of India. You want to see? Okay.
अब समय आ गया है जब हमें अपनी प्रतिज्ञा को पूरा करना चाहिए। आधी रात इस पहर में जब दुनिया सो रही है, भारत अपने जीवन और आज़ादी के लिए उठेगा। हमारा एक मौका आया है जो इतिहास में बहुत मुश्किल से आता है। ये वो मौका है जब हम पुराने से नए युग में कदम रखेंगे।
So, along with Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, there were many other great freedom fighters who also fought for the independence of India. Okay, so there are many, but I'll show you a few today. You want to see them? Ready? Subhash Chandra Bose, and he was the founder of the first Indian National Army.
We must not only be good, but also be good for something.
Okay, that was Sarojini Naidu, and she was was known as the Nightingale of India. Okay, that's B.R. Ambedkar. And can you see a book in his hand? What book is that? It is the Constitution of India. He is known as the father of the Constitution of India. It has all the laws written in it. Okay?
If India is to be benefited, it will be through non-violence. Ours isn't non-violent war. It is Dharma Yuddha.
Who was that? Do you have any idea? He is the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That's his name.
They may kill me but cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body but they will not be able to crush my spirit.
Now, can you tell me who is that? Ah, very good, Bhagat Singh. Yes, and he was the youngest martyr of our country.
You are salute the striker from whom you are proud. Always keep your head as long as there's life in the heart.
Who's that? Very good, Mangal Pandey. Okay, and he was the first Indian soldier who started an attack on the British.
The only way to succeed is through courage and hard work. मैं अपनी जान से नहीं दूंगी.
Wow, who was that? Yes, Jhansi Rani. Yes, she's a queen. Yes, she was a queen. And can you see in the picture? She tied her baby onto her back and she fought against the British.
ഞാൻ കേരള സിംഹം പഴശ്ശിരാജ എൻ്റെ മണ്ണ് ഞാൻ തിരിച്ചെടുക്കും കമ്പനി പട ഞാൻ പുറത്താക്കും.
Wow, who's that? Who's that? Parishi Raja. Yes, he was the lion. Okay, he was known as the Lion of Kerala. That's our state. Yes, he was a ruler from Kerala. Okay, so shall we give them a big round of applause?
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड
Do or die. We
किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन पान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
Gandhiji, along with 78 other people, started walking on foot, okay, from Ahmedabad to Dundee, okay, and they walked on foot. They walked for 400 kilometers. Is that a small distance? No, a very long distance, okay. They walked a very long distance, and while they were walking, thousands and thousands of people were joining them, okay, and that walk is called Dundee March or Salt Satyagraha, okay. Now your friends is going to perform and show you how Gandhiji did that day. You want to see that? Okay, you can watch.
When India was under British rule, British imposed a tax on Indian salt. The tax increased the price of Indian salt and made it difficult for poor Indians to buy salt. Indians were not allowed to collect, produce or sell salt. Anyone who produced or sold salt in India could be imprisoned for 6 months.
Gandhi and many others found the imposition of salt tax unfair and decided to protest against them. Gandhi organized Salt March from Gandhi Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dundee in Gujarat. Many people from all over India joined the march to protest British rule. It was called a battle of right against might.
At the end of the march, Gandhi picked up some salt from the seashore and took a pledge to fight against the British.
वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। भूल क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों पे हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। भूल क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों पे हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे।
And on August 15th, 1947 at midnight, India was declared as an independent country and we got our freedom. Okay? And the British flag was pulled down and the Indian flag was hoisted it was raised. You want to see that? Can you see that flag there? Which flag is that? Yeah, the British flag. Now it is going to go down. They pull down the British flag. Yes, the Indian flag came up. Yes, we got our independence. Okay, and peacock, that is the national bird, okay, and it represents grace and beauty. Yes, lotus, that is a national flower, and it represents purity. Yes, what's that? Tiger, that's the national animal, and it represents what? Power and strength. Yes, that is mango, and that is a national fruit. Very good, and it represents abundance. See, there's lots and lots of mangoes. What is that? Dolphin, that is the national aquatic animal. Yes, and it represents purity. Yes, what tree is that? Yes, banyan tree. That's a national tree, and it represents growth and strength. What is that? Hockey. Yes, that's our national game. What's that? National emblem. See, the national emblem has 4 lions. They're standing back to back. One in front, one in back, and 2 to the sides.
Thank you.
अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, बोल दो। ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, खोल दो। लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो। गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे।
नाम नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत। ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले। आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है। जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम, सस्य श्यामलाम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम, सस्य श्यामलाम, वंदे मातरम। पहुंच गए अंबर से आगे, धरती से फिर भी बंधे हैं धागे, रहते वतन की मिट्टी से जुड़ के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है। जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम, सस्य श्यामलाम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम, सस्य श्यामलाम, वंदे मातरम। घर घर तिरंगा, हर घर तिरंगा, घर घर तिरंगा, हर घर तिरंगा। घर घर तिरंगा, रथ घर तिरंगा, घरों घरी तिरंगा, प्रत्येक घरी तिरंगा।
आसमान को पाना है, आसमान से आगे जाना है।
नए भारत की नई कहानी अब आसमां को सुनाना है।
गर्व है इस तिरंगे पर, सारे जहां को ये दिखाएंगे।